This is FlowBuilder, LeanData's no-code, visual, drag-and-drop user interface that controls the customer's experience. This is where RevOps builds the intelligence that powers scheduling. Here's a typical scheduling FlowBuilder with 3 distinct routing paths for 3 different segments. First, a meeting request enters through one of several trigger nodes aligned with your various web forms, chatbots, AI agents, and intelligent scheduling links. Next comes a series of matching nodes. Duplicate lead. Have we already provided this prospect a demo in the past? If so, let's schedule with the prior demo owner. Duplicate contact. Are they already a contact in CRM? Does someone have a relationship we can leverage? Let's assign the meeting with them. And lastly, our lead to account match. Is this a small business account? While this represents nearly 30% of Catalyst Solutions' annual revenue, these deals are small and need to be transactional to maintain tight margins. For this path, Catalyst has chosen not to schedule meetings with their SDRs. Instead, the prospect is redirected to a recorded product-specific presentation. Later, through a combination of LeanData's AI inference node, powered by Gemini AI, a thoughtfully built sales agent within Salesforce Agentforce, and Outreach, the sales automation platform, these small business prospects will be nurtured and converted to customers without human intervention. After the matching nodes, we come to our meeting assignment decision node. Decisions can be made off any combination of form, chat, and match CRM data. Path 1 is for our prospect target account segment. This is the path that Sarah at Hard Rock Engineering went down. Our company, Catalyst Solutions, has decided that contacts from target accounts that meet certain criteria are pre-qualified to schedule 30-minute discovery calls with their respective account executive. The calendar presented to Sarah is respective of things like working hours, holidays, and even doctor's appointments. So anything that's not booked is fair game for Sarah to select from. At a minimum, account executives will always have 2 hours to research and prepare for these types of conversations. Path 2 is for the growth segment. In this segment, Catalyst Solutions typically sees faster moving opportunities with fewer buying influences. Prospects who meet the right criteria are presented with SDR round-robin pool that combines everyone's open time slots, giving the most prospect-centric experience. This is powerful. Instead of showing one rep's calendar, Bookit shows the earliest available times across all SDRs in the pool. This maximizes speed to meeting. Catalyst has also decided to make these shorter 15-minute discovery calls, with scheduling options available immediately. No pre-planning is required. Scheduling path 3 is for our customer accounts. This might be an opportunity to protect or grow customers, so getting the right calendar makes all the difference in the world. But what if the account manager's out of the office or inactive? Catalyst has orchestrated a backup plan to redirect those meetings to the CSM on the account team. Now let me pull back that curtain and show you the logic that's running behind this seamless experience. This is where RevOps builds the intelligence layer. Let's start with those prospects that do not schedule a meeting. Despite our best efforts, 30 to 40% of people who engage with your forms, chat, or agents will abandon the calendar once it's presented. They see the calendar, then they get pulled into another meeting, they aren't ready to commit, get distracted, or close the browser tab. Most companies lose their leads forever. LeanData doesn't. With the small business segment already in the trusted hands of their Agentforce agent, Catalyst only needs to concentrate on the abandoned calendars for their target account and growth segments. First off, Catalyst Solutions, after monitoring prospect activity for the first few weeks, has decided to force close their calendar after 10 minutes. They figure if you haven't selected a time after 10 minutes, you walked away, went into a meeting, or possibly have in fact lost interest. This is where LeanData's orchestration platform kicks in. For these Bookit-enabled forms, LeanData is designed to hold on to the lead until either the meeting is booked or the calendar is forced closed. However, that time isn't wasted. Processes like enrichment, record stamping, matching, merging, and pre-assignment decisions are all taking place. Catalyst is also using LeanData's AI inference node to examine the sentiment of the prospect, to double-check that their inquiry is of a sales nature rather than support, vendors, press, partnerships, and all the other ways people engage with their forms and chatbot. Once the abandoned calendar is closed and the prospect is redirected, Catalyst Solutions automatically adds them to a Sorry We Missed You campaign up in Marketo. Embedded in that campaign is one of LeanData's intelligent routing links, which can present the calendar of users or pools based on CRM logic. LeanData is also automatically adding the prospect to an outreach sequence on behalf of the sales rep. Each email in the sequence has a call to action that includes a formless scheduling link, with factors like prospect details, host credentials, additional hosts, and meeting type intelligently embedded for the most frictionless experience. Catalyst sends the rep a Slack notification using Notify Plus. In the notification are all the lead details as well as a minimum SLA of 8 minutes. The rep can easily take action, in this example, activating the outreach sequence directly through Slack. Every rep has a dashboard with up-to-date performance metrics against their peers. Catalyst has found that reaching out to prospects within 10 minutes has a far greater success rate compared to reps who delay their actions. Top metrics customers track include overall SLA compliance, time to action by owner, and abandoned calendar recovery rates. This is the visibility most scheduling tools don't give you. You're not just booking meetings, you're enforcing accountability, tracking SLAs, and identifying revenue leaks in real time.